Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bind your email to your Bigo Live account step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store and search for Bigo Live. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some options may not appear in older versions. Once the app is updated, open the Bigo Live app on your device. After that, go to the Me section, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Here you will find an option called Bind Email. Tap on it. Next, enter your email address carefully and then tap on the Next button. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email. Open your email inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the app. Once you verify the code, your email will be successfully linked to your Bigo Live account. Binding your email helps secure your account and makes it easier to recover your account if needed. And that's it! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.